Don't listen to everyone's advice. 9 times out of 10, don't listen to your parents' advice because they don't know, unless they're in business. Don't listen to a close friend's advice, because those are the people that are going to be telling you, it's not you, honey. It's the economy. It's a recession. It's COVID. It's okay. You're not supposed to be doing well. While other people are using that excuse, let them tell themselves that. And to all your family and loved ones, say, thank you for the information. I think I'm going to go reinvent myself and, accomplish world domination. Like, it's better to have that mentality than to just accept defeat, lay down, and just get counted out. Outcome was, if you speak to someone that is successful and you say, how do I get like you? How do I achieve success? 9 times out of 10, they will tell you, but 9 times out of 10, people are thinking they know better to follow the advice that would lead to success beyond their dreams. But everyone, including me, I thought I knew. Repole, I used to train the founder of Vitamin Water, which is now he owns Body Armor, Pirate's Booty. I trained him, and I was getting the education at 25, 26 years old from a billionaire. Like, literally, he laid out what he was going to do with Vitamin Water. Here's a guy who sells a company for $4.1 billion. And here he gave me advice, and I was so ignorant where, like, I still thought I knew better about my business, and that being training. And if you're a master of business, no matter what the business, you understand a scaling model. And I never knew what that meant.